Starting the first activity. So this is our stadium. This is our Baba Stadium. This is the VIP section. And this is the arena. We have just 4 activities here. The first one we're about to start is known as telephone sharing. So we have divided ourselves into 4 teams. So just welcome you to have a seat. Then we start the first one. Yes, after which we'll go back inside the restaurant for introduction and speeches.
I was joking around.
Yes. Slightly competing, not too much, but just activities that make us enhance teamwork, thinking outside the box, problem solving. Yes. Wengine tunaita hapa ndio hapa ni kwenda kiwanja hii ndio kiwanja. Wengine hapa mahali sajili. Baada ya mmoja hao. So the teams that are here, team Mori. Team Mori. Team Peter. It's going to be some little exercise for all of us, including Baba.